Welcome, fellow YouTubers, to your new dream home in Atlanta, Georgia. Brought to you by your Atlanta Realtor, Amy Renfroe, with Better Homes and Gardens Metrobrokers. Today, I would invite you to tour this beautiful West Midtown Atlanta townhome brought by Atlanta Found Homes listing agent Lisa Collins. Step inside with me to this stunning 4-bedroom, 3-bath oasis nestled in the heart of one of Atlanta's most vibrant neighborhoods. With its charming curb appeal and modern updates, this home offers the perfect blend of comfort and style. The Berkeley's townhome, the most desirable townhome community in West Midtown and Berkeley Park. This incredible end unit is just one of the 2 neighborhoods with most massive windows overlooking a large side yard. These modern homes with floor-to-ceiling windows and 2 rooftop terraces are what you have been waiting for. Luxury townhome living with open floor plans. No matter if you're moving here from another city or state, or you live on the outskirts of Atlanta and you're moving to the city, it's near the Interstate 75 off of Northside Drive, just steps away from the planned Northside BeltLine and beautifully appointed 4-bedroom, 2-bath townhome boasts of oversized quartz countertops, solid wood cabinetry with soft close features, and stainless steel appliances, and a fenced-in backyard to die for just networking and throwing the best parties you'll ever have. And did I mention it's off the kitchen? So imagine you in the kitchen cooking and you're looking out your patio to this amazing deck and backyard and family room all on one level. You won't want to miss the opportunity to really entertain in this beautiful townhome. This area includes a bonus space, an open air rooftop terrace, and capabilities for an optional outdoor kitchen, gas grill, and refrigerator. Did I also mention it's only minutes away from the new Mercedes-Benz Stadium and both shopping for Phipps Plaza, Lenox, and the new West Midtown Interlock area as well. You will love entertaining and relaxing on the roof with views of the city. Going out is easy. Shopping in the city's best restaurants are all nearby. Some of the key features of this townhome I want to also mention are the spacious open floor plan with abundant natural lighting, gourmet kitchen equipped with stainless steel appliances, and sleek granite countertops. If you enjoy this tour, please hit subscribe, and I look forward to scheduling your private showing today with me if you're interested in looking at more properties like this across the Atlanta area. Enjoy the tour.